Are you working long hours and wondering if there's something more? I understand because I've lived it. After nearly 20 years in retail, I knew I wanted to explore something different, something that gave me more time and more peace of mind. Hi, I'm Maria, a mom, a wife, and someone who spent years on her feet working hard as a cashier. I came across a digital learning platform that opened my eyes to new possibilities. It started as something small, a flexible way to build new skills and explore what's possible online. No background in tech, no problem. I didn't have one either. But I followed the training, connected with a supportive community, and took it step by step. It helped me reimagine how to use my time, learn at my own pace, build something meaningful. Now, I share what I've learned with others who feel ready for a change. Retail workers like I was, looking for a way to learn something new and take control of their time. If you're curious, tap that Learn More button, you'll see exactly what helped me start this journey and decide if it feels right for you. No promises, no pressure, just our possibilities to explore. Let's grow, let's learn, let's go digital. God bless. Thank you. See you.